we've got a drawer that will not stay closed. As you can see there, it comes open by itself. Both these two drawers do the very same thing. And even if I can get it like this and I hold it, just walking on the floor over time, it gets it past that point and then it just opens itself. Basically, both these tracks are have two screws at the back and one at the front. And because these drawers are in essence seems like they're going downhill, rather than move the back screws and make that go down, I'm going to remove the front screws, raise it up just by loosening the screw. It's not super complicated. Okay, small little screws. Simple fix here. What I'm going to do, I got a paint stick. And just if you don't have any of these, go ahead and just go to the paint department at your local big box store and ask them for one. I'm sure they'll give you one. It's only about 1/8 of an inch thick, and so I think that's where I want to start. And so I want to just cut off a piece here with my multi-tool. Basically what I'm just doing is building my own little shims. And then what I'm going to do is put this under here, like so. And I'm not going to glue them yet. I just want to make sure this is actually going to work first. I really want to make sure I've got a solution before I start putting screws in, because if I have to make other changes, I just don't want to make all kinds of holes in the side of the cabinet. All right, so now we'll go ahead and try to put these drawers in. This is going to be the hardest part of the operation because now the tracks are not anchored. Just have to go slow. All right. Now the way these drawers work is they have just a latch that you press on either side. And so I'm going to go ahead and lock it because I want it to be right. All right, that sure looks good. That's too easy of a fix. That being the solution, it's so much easier to do this yourself than to pay a handyman $100 or $150 just to come out and basically do the very same thing. If you had an extra set of hands, someone could hold the drawer while you do that. So now all we can do is put these screws back. And so right there's the hole. And this is just going in the side of the cabinet, so shouldn't even have to pre-drill. All right, so I didn't even glue that shim. It's just in there in a friction fit. Same thing on this side. But that's it, that's good to go. Now all you gotta do is put the drawer back in for the final time. One down and one to go. Rinse and repeat. Hope this video helps. Get anything out of it, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.